Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find products based on photos in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you should see at the top of the screen the search bar, and here you can type in the name of the type of the product that you would like to search for, or there is that camera icon, and if you click on it, you can scan an object and it will show you afterwards similar products, or you can upload photos as well. Let's see how it works. For example, I want to find some keys. You can see that here are some similar options, and you can see at the bottom of the screen that there is the upload photo option as well. So if you have the screenshot or something like that of that product, you can upload it, and the app will show you similar products. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.